subdivision and other officials. Concerned with the recent MOU signed between the Chief Ministers of Meghalaya and Assam to resolve the pending border issue, residents in the border area continue to oppose and show dissatisfaction and demand to revisit the border disputes areas. A public meeting on the issue was organized by the Joint Action Committee on Border Dispute on Tuesday at Girls High School, Malangkona, which was attended by Lazarus Sangma MLA Chokpot, Chirag Momin MDC, Alphonsus Momin MDC, Rinaldo Sangma MDC, Sanjay Koj MDC, Agassi Marak MDC, Fernandez Dakar President AITMC Youth Meghalaya, Calvin Wanyang Vice President AITMC Youth Meghalaya, and the general public of the area. In the meeting, the public showed unhappiness with the recent MOU signed by both the CMs of Meghalaya and Assam and demanded proper inquiry on the matter. They urged the state government to revisit the place and take the opinion of the residents of the area.
Supreme Court
we belong to the All India Chamber Congress, and we came here to support the people of our land because this land has been given away to Assam. MOU has been signed already between two states, Assam and Meghalaya. And we understand that that land belongs to our land, and that land belongs to us. And we came here to support our people, so that people will make. So that we want to make the people and the government to understand that land belongs to us.
Meghalaya today recorded 114 new COVID